Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Elite X2. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP Elite X2 can't even last an hour off the charger, it's likely that the battery has degraded significantly. This can happen due to age, frequent charging cycles, or simply because the battery has reached the end of its life. If left unaddressed, this issue can hinder your productivity and lead to further complications with your device. To perform the battery replacement, you'll need a few tools and materials: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a new battery compatible with the HP Elite X2. Start by ensuring your device is powered off. Carefully flip the HP Elite X2 over, and using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Remember to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Now, gently pry the back cover off using the plastic spudger. Be cautious not to damage any of the internal components as you work your way around the edges. Once the back panel is off, locate the battery. It's typically secured by a couple of screws and a connector. Remove the screws holding the battery in place, and then gently disconnect the battery cable by pulling it straight out. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. With the old battery removed, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place. Replace the screws to secure the new battery, making sure not to over-tighten as this could damage the component. Now, carefully replace the back cover, aligning it properly before pressing it down to snap it into place. Finally, reinsert the screws into the back panel, ensuring everything is secure. Once you've finished, power on your device and check if the battery holds a charge as expected. To prevent future battery issues, try to avoid extreme temperatures, don't let your device completely discharge too often, and consider using battery-saving modes when possible. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.